All models come with DVD and QR code for operational instructions. Fill power pack with hydraulic oil provided. Put fuel into power pack. Fill oil reservoir with hydraulic oil provided. Confirm oil level via the sight glass. Only fill oil level up to 1/3 so level is still visible. Connect pressure and tank line together. Run power pack to bleed any unnecessary air from the system. Turn kill switch to on position. Turn fuel switch to on position. Move the choke control to the closed position. If the engine is warm or the air temperature is high, move the choke control to the open position. Pull cord to start. Adjust oil flow and engage lever. Let machine warm up for 5 minutes before operation. Connect to product of choice. For demonstration, we will be using the LPD-LD-T.